on, get out here!
Coming! Coming, Ellie! Whew. Today is Best Friends Day at school, and you know what that means. Everyone's gonna be asking Jimmy to be his BFF. But I got a big surprise for Ellie, because I've decided to choose her as my BFF. Oh boy, won't she be surprised. I can't wait to tell her the good news.
Yes! Goal! Nice, Casey! Thanks, Ellie! Wow, we make a really great soccer team, don't we? Yeah, we're doing so well that I think that we should call our team the Goal Squad. That's it! May I introduce to you Ellie and Casey, the Goal Squad.
What exactly is going on here?
Oh, nothing, Jimmy. Ellie and I just created a whole new gaming team, that's all.
Gaming team? Ugh, well, never mind that. Ellie, I have big exciting news.
Oh, Ellie, check your phone. I just sent you these new uniforms. They're awesome. Ooh, new uniforms! Jimmy, take out your phone and join our team.
Oh, well, normally I'd take you up on that offer, but I think if I did, my teammates would be pretty mad at me. You know, I got my own team. It stars me as the captain, of course, and then other than that, it's,
Hey, Jimmy, are y'all ready for BFF Day today? Casey and Ellie are sure in the spirit. Ooh, is that the new soccer game everybody's talking about? Why don't you sit up front here and explain the rules to me on the way to school? Come on!
Oh, yeah. The Goal Squad's still totally undefeated.
I'm Casey and I'm so good at soccer. Goal Squad forever. Ugh. That's it. Time to begin Operation Win Ellie back for Best Friends Day. Ugh, I need to work on that title. Ellie thinks that Casey's a good BFF. Just wait till she sees what I have in store. Attention! Free ice cream in the school cafeteria. All interested parties report to the cafeteria for free ice cream.
Oh, no way! Free ice cream? Hey, I'll grab you two. Two? Yeah, why not?
She bought it! And so the game begins. Time for my favorite class of the day, science.
Science class? Wait a second, Jimmy. I thought that your favorite class was gym class. Science is my favorite.
Oh, wow, your favorite subject is science too? What a crazy coinky-dink.
Jimmy, Casey was sitting over there.
So, science buddy, tell me your favorite sciencey thing.
Well, I really love the solar system because I love learning about the planets and the moons and the stars. There's so many cool things about our universe that we can't even fathom. And oh, there's also this planet that's got like rings around it.
Rings? Oh, now you're speaking my language. I love rings. You know, every time I go to a restaurant, I always order onion rings instead of French fries. Every single time. It's so good to talk about all this science stuff with someone that actually gets it.
Oh yeah, sciencey onion rings. I wasn't talking about onion rings, I was talking about planet rings, Jimmy.
Hey, you know, I was thinking, since we're both such big science heads, what do you say that you and I team up for the upcoming big science project? We'll call our team the Ring Squad.
Ring Squad? I don't know, Jimmy. Last time we did a project together, I did all the work while you just did spinneroonies.
Well, yeah, we got an A+, so...
Well, somebody there is a big liar because there is no free ice cream anywhere.
Oh, hey, Casey. So nice of you to join us. I was just talking to Ellie about how awesome our Best Friends Day is going to be.
Okay, listen here. I see what you're doing, and just know it's not going to work. Ellie and I have an unbreakable bond as a goalie squad, and you can never break a soccer bond. Wait a second, what are we talking about, Best Friends Day?
Well, apparently you haven't heard of a solar system appreciation bond because that's way stronger than whatever you're talking about.
Okay, we'll see about that. Ugh, you don't even want to know. Super long. I just want to sit in the back and, take a well-deserved break.
Yeah, why don't you have a seat? We'll be leaving soon.
Phew! Finally, some time to myself. No Jimmy, no Casey, no best friends day. Just me, myself, and I. Hey, Ellie! Oh, this better be some really weird dream.
Oh, it's way better than a dream. We've decided that you need to choose between me and Casey for who's gonna be your best friend for the day.
Oh, but, we're gonna make it even easier for you. We're each gonna give you 5 reasons why we should be your BFF. Guys! Why isn't it enough that maybe the both of you are my best friend?
Please,
Come on, please.
Ellie, come on, you gotta pick.
Fine, if it'll make all this silliness end, then so be it. Go on. Okay, I'm gonna go first. There we go. 5 reasons why Casey should be your BFF.
What? No fair. I didn't know we could use posters.
Oh, would you look at that? Jimmy's unprepared again. Anyway, who cares? So, reason number 1. Clothing swap. Okay, so see how my favorite color is purple, but your favorite color is pink? We could totally switch clothes. You could totally wear this cardigan. You'd rock it. Oh, you know what? That is a very, very intriguing offer. Oh, is this made out of cashmere?
Oh, but Ellie, you'd also look great in, orange and, blue. My 2 favorite colors. Here, try on my hat. Yeah, you look really, really good in it, Ellie. Ha, that's what I call fashion.
Thanks, Jimmy.
And also, you know how you're like super into science? I was thinking maybe we should do more of those solar system projects, And don't worry about the snacks. I already got it covered. Beat that, soccer girl.
But if you're friends with me, I have squishmallows. Oh, that are also pink, your favorite color.
Pizza, need I remind you?
Okay, guys. I am so flattered you both want to be my best friend. But, I just,
All right, everybody, we're about to head off, so buckle up.
You know what? I think I've decided on who my best friend is. It's Coach Rocco.
What? What?
What an honor! Well, since we're best friends, could you help me upload the apps on my phone here?
Coach, I don't think that you can download any apps on that phone.
Oh, just have a look there. Press that button.
Wait a second. If Ellie and Coach Rocco are best friends now, does that mean...
Does that mean Jimmy's my best friend?
Oh, no. I have to share my pizza with you?
Not if it has any pineapple on it. Ugh.
Wait, you also don't like pineapple on your pizza?
Yeah, it's disgusting. But the only thing worse than pineapple is
anchovies. Wait a second. I'm starting to like your pizza style. Maybe this BFF thing is gonna work out.
Yeah, you know what? I think I can give it a try. Hey, since you're like totally into science now, do you want to do a project on dinosaurs?
You like dinosaurs too? Get out of here! Oh, I gotta show you this super awesome picture I took of a stegosaurus.
Oh, okay. Or a gecko in your backyard, but it's still super cool.